What immigration documents are required for a work permit in the U.S.? Attention Latino families. A pressing question that many are asking today is about the immigration documents needed for a work permit in the United States. With recent changes in immigration policies and rising interest in work opportunities, it is essential to know what is required to apply for a work permit. If you are considering work in the U.S., stay tuned as we break down the necessary documents you will need. The first and most important document is the Employment Authorization document, often referred to as a work permit. This document allows individuals to legally work in the U.S. To apply for this document, you will need to fill out Form I-765, which is the official application for employment authorization. Next, you must provide proof of your current immigration status. This can include a valid visa or Form I-94, which is the arrival and departure record. Even if your admission period has expired, this document is still necessary. In addition to these forms, you will need to submit supporting documents that show your eligibility for employment authorization. The requirements can vary depending on your immigration category. For example, if you have an approved immigrant petition, asylum status, or temporary protected status, you will need to provide evidence of that. You will also need to include a copy of a government-issued identity document. This could be a passport or a national identification card. Additionally, be prepared to submit to recent passport-style photographs as part of your application. For individuals applying through employment-based categories, there are additional steps. Employers may need to obtain labor certification or file specific petitions before you can apply for a work permit. For example, if you are looking for permanent work authorization, you may need the PERM labor certification. This certification confirms that there are no qualified U.S. workers available for the position. However, if you are applying for temporary work visas, such as the H-1B visa, the process is slightly different. Instead of labor certification, employers must file a labor condition application with the Department of Labor. In summary, the core documents you will need for a work permit application include Form I-765, proof of immigration status like Form I-94, identity documents, and category-specific evidence of eligibility. Making sure all your paperwork is complete and accurate is essential for a smooth application process. This will help Latino families maintain legal work status in the United States.